Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to get reminded about unused vendor credit in QuickBooks Online. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So we're gonna use a feature from QuickBooks called this one, workflow automation. So we're gonna use this workflow automation to get reminded. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account and then in the main dashboard you can go to the workflow automation in the top right corner here. But if you cannot find it, you can just go to your search box here and you can search for workflow and you will find workflow automation, this one. Click on it. And then in this page, as you can see, you have a lot of templates, but we're gonna use custom workflow. We're gonna create one. Click this green button, and then for this one, obviously, we're gonna search for vendor credit. This one, vendor credit, and reminder. Obviously, click next. And then you can name it maybe uh, unused vendor credit reminder. Just like that. And this is obviously vendor credit and send reminder, maybe 1 days or 3 days is up to you. After vendor credit is created, so it's up to you, And then you can choose to send a company email, or you can choose send a push notification, and then you can set it up when vendor credit amount is greater than 0, and then you can just click save and turn on. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.